If there are 3 people paying, we simply enter 3 customers. The system automatically splits the bill into 3 equal parts and calculates exactly how much each person needs to pay. Some customers can pay by card, while others can pay by cash. Once all 3 payments have been completed and the total amount has been collected, the transaction is finalized. We can then print the receipt if required. The kitchen order ticket clearly shows what items were ordered. For example, grilled meat, skewers, or other menu items. Each department receives the correct preparation instructions. If we want to view the payment details, we simply click the print button. The payment information will be displayed and can also be printed. For normal daily sales, we can search for products, add items to orders, and process transactions easily. The store name, business information, and many other settings can be customized. Inside the settings menu, there are various options available for customization. We can replace the company logo with our own logo. We can also edit the store name, business address, and other company information. We can specify the country where the business operates, configure tax rates, and decide whether tax is already included in prices or added separately. We can also customize the message displayed at the bottom of receipts. For example, a message such as, "Thank you for your purchase." Everything can be changed according to your business requirements. We can also control how products are displayed on the sales screen. For example, I have currently set it to display 5 columns. When I return to the sales screen, you can see that only 5 columns are displayed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I increase the number of columns to 8 and save the setting, the layout changes immediately. Now, when we return to the sales screen, 8 columns are displayed. You can choose whatever layout is most comfortable and easiest for staff to use. Everything is designed to suit your workflow and improve visibility. The display can also be customized to show product images, product names, prices, and other information. You can decide exactly what appears on the screen. Earlier, we saw options such as dine-in and take-away for coffee shops. If you run a different type of retail business, these options can be changed. For example, you may prefer options such as walk-in customer or returning customer. All of these labels and workflow options can be customized according to your business needs. The system can automatically detect connected printers. If you have 2 printers installed, each printer can be assigned a different role. For example, one printer can print customer receipts while another printer prints kitchen orders. This prevents confusion and keeps operations organized. You can also use a single printer for both functions if preferred. If you have a cash drawer connected, it can automatically open when a payment is completed. This makes it easy to place cash inside and return change. The system also supports businesses that sell products by weight. For example, fruit stores, vegetable shops, or bulk food retailers. If you use a digital weighing scale, the system can connect directly to it. The weight is automatically captured and used to calculate the selling price. If you have a second monitor for customers, that can also be configured. The customer-facing screen can be customized as an advertising display. You can show promotional images, marketing content, or information about your products. Images and promotional banners can be displayed continuously on the customer screen. One monitor can be used by staff for sales, while the second monitor is used for customers. The system can also integrate with external hardware and third-party devices. For example, quick payment buttons can be configured for common amounts such as $5 or $20. Depending on your hardware and business requirements, various integrations are possible. Different brands and equipment can be connected and configured. The system is flexible and supports many business environments. When setting up a new store, product information can be imported directly into the system. This saves time and avoids manual data entry. The system also includes backup and restore functions. At the end of each business day, you can create a backup of your data. This helps protect your business in case of computer failure, hardware damage, or unexpected issues. If necessary, you can restore your data from a previous backup file and continue operating without losing important information.